So I decided today to get started in the living room first, and I'm going to wipe down the coffee table. I'm using a baby wipe. It's the fastest and most efficient way of cleaning, and it really gets the job done. So moving on into the dining area and kitchen area, as you can see here, we have a lot to do and get done, so I'm going to jump on into this. So tell me in the comment section down below, would you rather wash dishes by hand or would you rather use the dishwasher? Based on what I know, washing them by hand, even though it takes longer, it gets the dishes cleaner in my opinion. But I want to see what you guys have to say and what your preference is. So let me know down below. So as you'll see on my counter right here, I have a diffuser. I love my diffuser and my wax burner. And here's a view of what we see every morning. It's countryside and I absolutely love it. It's beautiful. Organized my laundry room, basically put a lot of bins, and that's where the towels and blankets and stuff go. It keeps it more organized. Moving on to the master bathroom, as you can see here, there's a lot to get done also. Gonna clean the sinks, mop, and wipe down the mirrors. So let's get on into this. Don't care what you say to me, I'ma bite your feelings out. I miss you in the basement, but your brother was a good substitute for you. To my daughter's room, which is always chaotic. She's been having a hard time lately trying to make her bed, so I'm actually in this video. You can't see her, but I am showing her exactly what to do and how to do it, and it's just to help her out a little bit. They each have chores every morning, so this just happens to be one of them. Is it just me, or do children tend to really know how to tornado their rooms? My daughter is notorious for this. She'll take things out, and she's learning to put things back in the order that they go in. But it's really about finding her own system as far as how she likes her room. I just happen to find a place for everything and tell her everything has a place. So yeah.
on a champion, a champion. I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, also famous, number one desirable. I do what I want when I want.
Moving on into my son's room, otherwise known as the man cave, which I know you guys will see that sign later on hanging up in the bedroom. The boys' room is actually a lot more cleaner than my daughter's room, but I don't know why that is. I guess she's just getting to that point in her life where she really doesn't have an interest in picking up. When she was younger, she used to love it so much, and I was like, okay, this is going to be good, but it seems like she kind of got out of really liking to clean and more into her own style of things. I feel like I'm raising a three-nager, but she's not 3 anymore. She's 5 now.
You know you better think fast, so baby, let's go and never look back. Girl, I know we just met, but I think that we could be the best.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and